Hello, this is Communication Networks assignment number 1. We are given experiment 11 of simulation. The objective of this simulation is to determine the optimum persistence of a P persistent CSMA CD network for a heavily loaded bus capacity. Um, Basically, CSMA CD means carrier sensing multiple axes with collision detection. In this, first the station senses the channel before its transmission. If the channel is busy, it either waits or schedules for back off. If the channel is idle, it starts transmitting. In CSMA with collision detection, we monitor for collisions, and if there are any collisions, we abort the transmission. In this, we have three main theoretical versions. They are one persistent CSMA CD. In this, a station listens to the channel, and if detects the channel is idle, it transmits a frame. If a collision occurs, it waits for a certain random time and repeats the process. It has low delay and low efficiency. The next one is non-persistent CSMA CD protocol. In this, the station doesn't continuously sense the channel. Instead, it waits for a random time before detecting again. It has high delay and high efficiency. Next comes P persistent CSMA CD protocol. In this, if a station finds the channel idle, it transmits the frame with a probability P or waits until the next slot with a probability 1 minus P. Even in the next slot, if it finds the channel idle, again it transmits with probability P or waits with probability 1 minus P. In this, the delay and efficiency can be balanced. Now let's go to simulation. First, open your NetSim software, go to simulation, new, legacy networks and traditional Ethernet. Now you will get a environment. First, select the hubs. You can find hubs in switch and there is hub. You place it in the environment. Now make a link between the two hubs using the link provided. Now you have to place the nodes. You have to place total 12 nodes. You can find it in the node and wired node. You place it like this. Switch for hub 1 and switch for hub 2. Now you have to change the properties of nodes as given in your manual. Go to properties of nodes and click on the data and change it to exponential and give the mean interval arrival time as 1000. Okay, here first place the persistence as 1 by 2. If you change the persistence of one node, all the other nodes will be changed, so just change the data. Now change even for nodes of hub 2 the same properties. Sorry. Now after changing the nodes properties, change the hub properties. So these are the default properties given, and these are the properties asked. So accept, and now you can run simulation. Okay, the simulation time can be 10 seconds. It will take 10 seconds. So here are the values. Now what we are interested in is throughput values. So note this throughput value in a Excel sheet, and you can save PHP 11. Okay. Now you can open your previous one. Go to admin, legacy networks, traditional Ethernet, experiment 11. Okay. Now you change the property of node persistence as 1/3. Accept, and you again run the simulation, and you will get another throughput value. Note down all the values in an Excel sheet as follows.
So this is the histogram that you'll get for different probabilities of persistence. For 1/2 it's around 8.87, for 1/3 it increases, and for 1/12 persistence it goes till 8.98 and becomes a constant or decreases. So the conclusion is, so as number of users is large, the performance of P persistent CSMA CD network with large P is not optimal. We have minimum throughput at persistent of 1/2. As persistence increases, collisions decreases and throughput increases, and this is what we are interested in. But after 1/10, the probability of transmitting packets becomes very low, and there aren't many transmissions. So throughput starts to decline. So max throughput lies between 1/9 and 1/10. Thank you.
Thank you.